Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain name to Webflow in 2026. This will be a very simple and easy video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can get the full information. First of all, to connect a custom domain into Webflow, you would need yourself a custom domain first. So you can get that by simply going to either Namecheap or going to GoDaddy or any domain name platform that provides it. So domain name. So as you can see here, there's many of them, Hostinger, etc. So for now, what you will need to do is to simply go ahead and buy your domain name. For example, let's say Namecheap. So once you buy it, you would need to go to your Webflow website, as you can see here. And from this area, click on Publish. Once you get into Publish, click on Add a Custom Domain. And here they will take you to this page where you have to choose a plan. Since you cannot add a custom domain name to your Webflow unless you have, and you do have, a VIP or premium plan. So you choose simply either a basic, CMS, or business, depending on your budget and of course what you were looking for exactly. So read them clearly, in depth, take your time, and then choose the plan that fits you the best. Once you had it in mind and you picked it up and you bought it, and you have both bought the domain and the plan, then follow these few steps. As you can see here, they are pretty simple. Go to your settings, publishing, then production. Then go to DNS settings for your custom domain in your domain registrator or DNS host dashboard. Create an error code with the host name and the IP value should be this one, and create a CDN record with the hostname www and the value cdn.webflow.com. Create then a TXT record with the hostname -webflow and the value shown inside settings begin with one-time verification code, so it should be copied from you. So this is not something that you should copy, it will show to you on your page. It is a code basically that will only be available for you to see. Once you had it, save it, wait 30 minutes and it should work. It's very simple and basic guys. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.